Luigi Mangione, who is accused of killing United Healthcare's CEO in Manhattan, has retained a high-profile New York attorney. A development revealed on the same day, an official indicated the defendant may soon stop fighting extradition from Pennsylvania, the site of his arrest, to the Empire State. Mangione, charged in New York with second-degree murder in the December 4th shooting of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson, has retained Karen Friedman Agnifilo, a former Manhattan prosecutor, to represent him. Working in private practice since 2021, Friedman Agnifilo had served under then-DA Cyrus Vance Jr. for 7 years as Chief Assistant District Attorney in Manhattan, the same jurisdiction prosecuting her new client. Mangione, 26, was arrested Monday at a McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania. After police were alerted he looked like the man New York investigators alleged gunned down Thompson 5 days earlier, as Thompson walked toward a Manhattan hotel hosting his company's investors' conference, authorities said. The suspect appeared to be driven by anger against the health insurance industry and against corporate greed as a whole, according to an NYPD intelligence report obtained Tuesday by CNN. An attorney for Mangione in Pennsylvania has denied his client's involvement in the killing in New York and said he anticipates Mangione will plead not guilty there to the murder charge and other counts. The attorney Thomas Dickey also said Tuesday his client was fighting extradition to New York, a process with the potential to last for weeks. But on Friday, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg said he's seen signs Mangione could soon waive his right to fight extradition. Indications are that the defendant may waive, but that waiver is not complete until a court proceeding, which my understanding from court officials in Pennsylvania cannot happen until Tuesday, Bragg said. So until that time, we're going to continue to press forward on parallel paths, and we'll be ready whether he is going to waive extradition or whether he's going to contest extradition. Mangione is in custody on Pennsylvania charges related to a gun and fake ID police say they found when they arrested him in Altoona. He also plans to plead not guilty to the Pennsylvania charges, Dickey has said. Mangione was denied bail at an extradition hearing Tuesday afternoon at Pennsylvania's Blair County Courthouse. CNN has sought comment from Dickey about whether he and his client have changed their position on extradition. Since Mangione's arrest, authorities have indicated he is facing mounting evidence in the killing of Thompson, a husband and father of 2. A 3D printed gun authorities allege Mangione had when he was arrested matches 3 shell casings found at the crime scene, and his fingerprints match those found on items near the scene, New York City's police commissioner has said. Authorities have pointed to other items which may point to a motive. Investigators found a 3-page handwritten claim of responsibility and writings in a spiral notebook, a law enforcement source briefed on the matter told CNN. Also, 3 9mm shell casings from the crime scene had the words delay, deny, and depose written across them, NYPD's Chief Detective Joseph Kenney has said. The words are similar to a title of a 2010 book critiquing the insurance industry. Thompson's killing has laid bare many Americans' fury toward the healthcare industry, with Mangione garnering sympathy online and offers to pay his legal bills. It's also struck fear in C-suites across the country, as the NYPD intelligence report obtained by CNN warns online rhetoric could signal an elevated threat facing executives in the near term. Mangione, the privileged scion of a well-to-do family, high school valedictorian and Ivy League graduate, vanished from view of his loved ones in recent months, only to emerge as a suspect in a high-profile killing. New York prosecutors charged Mangione with 1 count of murder, 2 counts of second-degree criminal possession of a weapon, 1 count of second-degree possession of a forged document, and 1 count of third-degree criminal possession of a weapon, online court documents show. The presentation of evidence to a grand jury is the next procedural step in obtaining an indictment. If convicted of second-degree murder in New York, Mangione would face 15 years to life in prison. As for Friedman Agnifilo, Mangione's new attorney, one longtime New York prosecutor told CNN she has as much experience as any human being, especially in the state court. She knows every corridor, every judge, every clerk in the courthouse, the source told CNN about Friedman Agnifilo. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to stay updated.